forwardRef. When building applications in the real world, right, it is pretty much standard that every now and then you have custom components to be able to like add some form of customization as it relates to the kind of problems or these kind of solutions that you are building, right? So in this case, let's assume that I have a custom component called my input. I'll come over here and say const my input equals this, right? Then of course you expect props, right? For now, I'm just going to assume that all the props that comes in here are props that relate to an input element. I'm just going to come over here and return input, right? And I'm just going to come over here and spread the props. This is bad practice, by the way, but for tutorial sake, please do indulge me, right? What that means is I can now come over here and say my input, right? And come over here and say my input as well. Now, because I'm passing a ref here, you would expect that, of course, by the time I type in here by the time I input a name that has a length greater than 8, then of course this age input should continue to focus. But you're going to see that in fact that is not the case. And the reason for that is your ref at the moment is referencing custom input, which is my input. Now my input is not a valid HTML element in the document object model, and you cannot call .focus on it. That's why it's not working right. The technique that we are going to use in order to be able to pass the ref from this custom component down to the base element, which is recognized by HTML or that is available in the document object model, is forward ref. Basically, we are forwarding the ref from the custom component down to the base element that can actually make use of it. And the way that works is I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to replace this guy with forward ref, come over here and import forward ref, right? And basically this accepts a callback, right? You have your props, which we still get to spread on here. Then there is one more parameter that we need to pass in here, which is ref, right? And all I need to do, that should be ref. Then all I need to do is come over to the base element, which is ref, and ref, save it up, and let's come back here now and do web boss, and you can see that this now works.